This video demonstrates how Catalyst rapidly models complex renovation projects in real time. New buildings are driven mostly by common causes, allowing outcomes to be modeled within a narrow range of variation. Renovations, however, are driven by special causes and requirements, creating wider variation, higher risk, and a greater need for expert oversight. Here, we're logged into Catalyst and select Add Project. Choose the building category and purpose, name, and then, for the project type, select Renovation. Choose the state and metro area, the construction start, and number of floors. We'll incorporate all 4 interior renovation types, starting with gut renovation. Surgery and radiology are both gut renovation. We enter their functions just as we would with new buildings or additions. Let's select 5 operating rooms, 1 endoscopy room, and 2 special procedure rooms. Since we know the renovation area, we revise the predicted area. We do the same for radiology and its 5 functions. Next are the 3 selective renovation types: light, medium, and major. For these, we enter floor area rather than function. Light renovation includes repainting and minor FF&E. We'll apply this to patient floors and the cafe. We can add special scope. Here, a $200,000 allowance for nurses' station upgrades. Various medium and major renovation options are provided and defined respectively. Catalyst also applies 4 retrofit scopes selected in the Attributes panel: shell retrofit, remediation and structural retrofit, MEP services retrofit, and occupancy-related staging and impacts. In this example, all 4 are set to moderate. Now let's look at the results. From the program cost breakdown, we see a significant shell cost of over $12 million, largely driven by the retrofit scopes. Under functional spaces, unit costs range from roughly $46 per square foot for light renovation of the cafe, up to about $376 for gut renovation of surgery. Gut renovation is modeled in high detail, just like new buildings. Light renovation, by contrast, includes a single line item plus the special scope allowance. Returning to our initial point, the Pareto risk and opportunity chart shows the very high variation coming from the renovation and retrofit scopes, highlighting where expert oversight matters most. Catalyst lets owners and builders see this variation early, understand what drives it, and manage it with confidence.